Hey guys, it's Brianna. Today's video is part of a fall cleaning series that I'm doing. I'm gonna be deep cleaning my refrigerator, and I partnered up with Grove Collaborative for today's video. And if you are new to Grove, I have a really awesome set of goodies for you when you sign up. You get a 3-pack of their 1-ounce cleaning essentials concentrates, which includes an all-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, and a tub and tile cleaner, as well as a 16-ounce spray bottle. I'm gonna be using the spray bottle with the all-purpose cleaner when I'm deep cleaning my fridge today, along with a 3-pack of their microfiber cleaning cloths. So if you are new to Grove, make sure you take advantage of this opportunity to get some awesome free cleaning goodies. But I thought today would be the perfect time for me to clean out my refrigerator because I was traveling for work this week as well as my husband, and there's a lot of just gross old food in there that's going over a week old at this point. And I need to go grocery shopping for the week later on today. So I need to get all of this stuff cleaned out of my fridge, and this way it's not like fully packed, jammed full of food at this point in time either. So let's get started on deep cleaning this fridge. I hate wasting food, but I can't help it. I have to get rid of some of these items because they're now over a week old. I'm gonna wash all of these drawers out in the sink. Are these in the cheese drawer? I have no idea. Wash and scrub out all of the drawers that I removed. Okay, I'm gonna start scrubbing these with my apple cider Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. And now that my fridge is all clean, I am ready to go grocery shopping and stock this puppy back up. Because seriously guys, I don't even have milk right now. I need to go to the grocery store ASAP. Okay, so the final thing I'm going to do is just make sure the outside of my stainless steel fridge is nice and clean. And to clean the outside of my fridge, I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. I love the mint scent, and a Grow Collaborative Microfiber cleaning cloth. Thanks so much for cleaning out my fridge with me. I hope you enjoyed this video and the fall cleaning series that I've been doing on my channel. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to check out Grove Collaborative, use that link below and get those awesome free cleaning goodies. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.